All right, let's do an unboxing of this water heater. This is a tankless water heater. So I think if you don't use gas that much, at least like in my case, I think it will be a good upgrade. Also takes less space, and you can have everything, in with one bill instead of having gas and electric. So as you can see here, it says the model is ET, the extraterrestrial guy on the movie, I guess, 014. So it says the only thing I'm confused here is because here it says, okay, 14 pounds, 240. Here you have the dimensions. That is fine, but in another places it talks about the gallons per minute, and it seems that it's less than what you see advertised, at least on Amazon. I don't see anything else here. So as you can see, there is nothing else. So I'm going to take it out of the box. I fill out the process so that way we don't waste too much time, and I'll show you a little bit closely. So as you can see here, we have the specs. So the connection is very easy. So all you need is one wire, because I saw another ones of these that you have to run like 3-4 wires. I mean, you will need 3 breakers. I saw another model, it's a little bit more powerful, and you need 3 breakers to hook this up. To me, it's absurd. It's too much. So I want something simple. I don't want to run too many cables. But as you can see, this is what you get. It's very easy. You have a live 1, live 2, and then you need the ground. That's it. Simple. One breaker. I have the breaker here. I have the Dividend, so very good. So one of these, 60 amps. That's it. So if you see the model, it says, for instance, the 14 to 40, 14 kilowatts, 60 amps. That is the minimum the circuit breaker needed. So max amps, it says 59. And recommended wire size is 6 gauge. So if you buy 6.2, you should be good. So you are going to have the 2 lives and the ground, and that's it. So I was reading in another place here, and okay, and this is very easy. So just follow the instructions here to hang it. It's like hanging a TV, nothing too complicated. I will make a video about this later. So here we have the device over here. So very easy. So the inlet goes here. It comes with these cups. I removed them already. So cold water, hot water, easy. Here you put the wire and you hook it the way I told you. Later I'll make a video about how to install this. Very easy. Let's see the specs. If we see something else, okay, yes, this is what I wanted to show you. You see, it says minimum flow rate. To activate, it says 0.5 gallons per minute. And here we have almost the same thing. So that is the only thing. If you go online, I'll show you. I have the wrong screen. Okay, there we go. If you see, that is the website. So it says $200, so $199 plus tax. You will be paying more than 200. So it says 3 gallons, 0.38 per minute, and that should be enough. So if you're wondering, okay, so how many gallons per minute do I need? I'll show you that in a minute. So let me show you this so that way you can see. Let's show you the address of the unit. So here, very easy. Just put this one screw here, one screw there. I mean, just on the wall, right? It comes with this. I'm not going to be using this. I don't like them. So basically, you buy an anchor, or maybe you can use the Tapcon, the blue screws. So that way you don't have to use this garbage. I use a very long one, and that's it. So put here, and that's it. Take the measurement. And you don't need anything else. Here on the bottom, like I said before, cold water, hot water, power goes here. This is the front of the unit. So turn it on, Celsius, Fahrenheit, change the temperature, with this button. And that's it. No, very simple unit. I wish you could have, instead of having something like this, the whole. I think it will be better just to have some small ears on the top. It will make it easier to install and uninstall if you have to replace it. So other than that, I'll show you the manual. So I was going to buy Electrolux, but when I called them, they told me that they don't manufacture anything. So if you're wondering, okay, why buying this, I'm not buying the other one, because when I went to their website, they don't make that device, this product. So I don't know if they make, someone is counterfeiting or using their brand, something like that. But it's crazy. So here it shows you all the heating elements and everything. As you can see, this is how you install it. So very easy, just from the electrical panel to the heater. You're going to need these MPP connectors. Here is, the breaker, like I told you before, the wire, and you should be good. And after that, let me see if I can find the other brand I was talking about, Electrolux. But if you go to their website, Electrolux water heater. Let's see what you find. You find this, you see, and also it comes with a scaler. This device, less scale. So I don't know if it works or not. You pay a little bit extra, but like I said, if you go to their website, you will not see it. So if you type that, search, you don't see it, at least from them. It doesn't even exist. Electrolux tankless water heater. Let's do it like that. They don't even make water heaters. If you see, it's just washers, and maybe some refrigerators. That's it. So that is the main concern. So I'm going to make a video shortly later how to install this water heater. So if you go to my playlist on my YouTube channel, you will see everything. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you want to buy something like this, I'll leave you in the video description the link so that way you can get it.